Hey everyone, and welcome to this exciting video about unusual natural phenomena that will leave you in awe. Today, we will be taking a look at some of the most amazing natural wonders that are out there in the world. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you find any of the facts interesting or informative, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread knowledge and appreciation for the unusual natural phenomena. Now, let's dive in. Segment 1, Aurora Borealis. We will start off with a natural phenomenon that is known to captivate everyone who witnesses it, the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. These stunning lights are created when electrically charged particles from the sun collide with particles in the Earth's atmosphere. The result is a spectacular display of colors in the night sky, ranging from greens and blues to pinks and purples. People travel from all over the world to witness this amazing spectacle, and it's definitely something that should be on your bucket list. Segment 2, Sailing Stones. Now, let's talk about something truly bizarre: the sailing stones. These rocks can be found in Death Valley, California, and what makes them unique is that they move on their own, leaving a trail behind them. The exact reason for this strange phenomenon is still unknown, but some believe that it is caused by a combination of strong winds and a slick surface. Whatever the reason, it's definitely a sight to behold. Segment 3, the wave. Have you ever heard of the wave? It's a natural rock formation located in Arizona, and it's one of the most unique and beautiful places in the world. The wave is made up of swirling sandstone that creates a mesmerizing pattern that looks like it's been painted onto the rocks. It's truly a work of art that you have to see to believe. Segment 4, Bioluminescence. Now, let's take a look at something truly magical: bioluminescence. This natural phenomenon occurs when organisms such as plankton, jellyfish, and fireflies emit light. The result is a glowing blue-green light that can be seen in the water at night. Imagine being out on a boat at night, surrounded by glowing organisms. It's like something out of a fairy tale. Segment 5, Moeraki Boulders. Our last unusual natural phenomenon is the Moeraki Boulders. These large, spherical stones can be found on a beach in New Zealand, and they look like they've been placed there by aliens. The boulders are actually a result of natural erosion, but their shape and size make them look otherworldly. It's definitely a place that you have to visit if you ever find yourself in New Zealand. Conclusion, and there you have it, folks: 5 unusual natural phenomena that will leave you in awe. From the Aurora Borealis to the Moeraki Boulders, these natural wonders are truly amazing and remind us of the beauty and power of our planet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content like this.